Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a car, practically almost any car guys, past year 1996. And if you guys have problems where the heater blower motor is not working, or you want to test the heater blower motor, fan and resistor, the different speeds, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, super simple. And another thing guys, you will practically not even guys get your hands dirty, and for some reason if you hear noise coming from the blower motor but you don't have the air coming out, stay with us, we'll explain a simple fix to that as well. One simple fix that most people never think about that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is a Ford vehicle that we'll be demonstrating on, and this is actually a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, gasoline and electric as well, but doesn't matter if you have gasoline, diesel, hybrid, it will work on about all of them. What you need to do guys, you need to come and find your OBD port. That's where you connect your scanner. Ours is under that cover. In some cases it could be under the dash. That's what it looks like, just a regular OBD2 scanner port. Okay, let me focus here, perfect. The tool that we'll be using is the Think tool. I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from and exactly which version it is, but that's practically like a dealer level equipment guys. That tool, you can access every computer system in your car, read codes, see live data, do tests, programming. It's amazing tool guys. And these modern cars, some of them have more than 50 computers. This one specifically probably has at least 35 guys. So I'll turn the ignition switch on. This is the app here. We'll click All Systems Diagnostics and we'll click VIN number. What it will do, it will connect to the car. The light will turn blue. When it turns blue, it's communicating. It will decode the VIN number and tell us that we have a Ford C-Max 2013 model. Check it out. Follow the screen instructions. It may ask you to turn the ignition switch on or off. Ours, it will ask us to turn the ignition switch on. Ours is already on. And now it will communicate with the computing systems, all the computer systems in the car, and it will come back and it will say, okay, all the different things we can do, programming, special functions. You can see system selection, system scan, health reports. We'll go to system selection. We'll check out all the computers that are in this car. I don't know, probably 40. I don't know if somebody will will actually count those. Heating, ventilation, air conditioning right here. Click actuation test. Under actuation test we'll select blower motor speed. Now under data stream we can click right here and add the blower motor, the actual blower motor speed, and the first one is the requested speed, the one that will turn it to, and the second one is the actual speed. It may turn your climate controls off. Now depending on how many speeds you have, the first one or two you may not notice movement at all, or very slow movement. Here I noticed just a little bit, but barely moves the you can see the paper towel. 20% actual speed, it says 19.11. 30% it starts turning on, increasing. Okay, 40%, check it out now. Actual speed 39.56. We're deviating only less than 0.5%, which is great. 50, 60. They're matching pretty good. The fan is turning on higher. It's blowing like crazy. Blow me away guys. 80%, 90%. So you can see the amount of air that comes out of the vents is simply amazing guys. So definitely okay, definitely no problems there. Now if you're not getting guys, okay, if you're not getting air out but you hear noise, you need to check your cabin air filter. It could be plugged up dirty air filter. Another thing that can cause that is the switch that you select where to blow, like the feet or the legs or you know, like the windshield. What you need to do guys, Okay, you might need to test the flap that changes the direction of the air flow. It may be bad actuator motor on the flap, okay, that actually do that, and it can be stuck between different positions in some cases as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.